guys, we are coming to you from Ozark, Alabama. We got here, we got here Thursday, and we spent all day long yesterday, Friday, the 19th, January 19th, resting, because 3 out of 4 of us got knocked down by a flu-like thing. I don't know if it was the flu, it felt pretty much like it. But anyway, we're all doing a lot better now today. Got some little lingering things, but we're doing a lot better. And it's hard to get sick in the enclosed area like an RV when it's freezing cold. And we just drove up to McDonald's to get a dollar menu.
Golden Arches.
Yep, because we were coming. See, he's still coughing back there, hacking. Power cough, power cough. I taught him how to power cough. But anyway, so we're going to sing tonight here in Ozark, and then tomorrow we're singing at 2 different churches. And then we'll be traveling on south to Crystal River to be with our friends down there. And then we'll be traveling on further south to Port Charlotte.
Now you need to tell people how to power cough.
Power cough? Well, you can look it up online, but it's basically a way for you to cough effectively, so that you're not just hacking and hacking and hacking. You can hold your breath when you feel like you've got a cough. You just take a really deep breath in and then do a power cough. So that way you're not just hacking over and over, it actually makes the cough effective and productive. So anyway, I taught the boys how to power cough, now they need to put it into practice. Helps your voice, helps you not to just hack over and over again. Good morning, guys. It is a brand new day. God is good. His mercies are new today. Well, we stayed here at a church last night, Boondock. Well, not Boondock. They had power. And here in Chattahoochee, Florida. And we are headed out now because we're trying to beat the rain, trying to get ahead of the rain coming in and the winds and stuff. So we're gonna head down to Crystal River, and we just fired up the Gabriel, and the boys are still sleeping, but that's not stopping us, right, Daddy? We're headed on.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, we got a few stops to make on the way, and then we'll be down in Crystal River.
Just catch everybody up. Came through Alabama.
Yeah, came through Alabama. We came through the flu. We are back in Florida. We had went down to Florida and came back up to Alabama, and now we're back down in Florida, and we're going even further deep into Florida, down towards Crystal River, and then we'll be moving on to Port Charlotte.
And we are RVing.
We are RVing.
And if you're still breathing,
there's still hope.
Moved by the sound of his voice, seas that are shaken and stirred will be moved from my regard.